What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're trying to make this video a little bit shorter because I gotta go pick up my kid from school. But anyways, guys, I don't see why people do what they do. Understand? I don't get it. I don't get it. But and yet you guys gotta know something. To get rich, you have to be able to do things that not everybody is going to do. Those are the things you have to be able to do. It's like, again, some people think like, okay, you can trade on a spot exchange. Okay, just hold your coins, wait for the price to go up, you will still make money. Other people who want to do the other style, which is leverage, you have to have the stomach for it. Okay, you will not be able to predict the charts like on the dot, like this is what is going to happen here on the dot. You will always have this plus or minus 10% error. Understand? Now there's one of the guys that follows that sent me a message on Twitter, on X, and he I like those kind of guys, you know. I like them. He goes, he goes like, your position is down 20-30% or even 40. Why don't you close it before you lose everything? And I go like, dude, you have to listen to one thing. You are when you do stuff like that, you are panic selling. That's what you're doing. And another thing is, like, that's why I tell you guys, I do not do a day trading. I don't do day trading. Day trading is a lot stressful. Okay, I do seasonal trading and also trade based on maybe price discovery, maybe support and resistance, stuff like that. Okay, so for me it is very, very how do I put this, it's normal, very normal for me to see my position go down 30, 40, 50%. I know. Okay, because my style of trading is different from everybody else. I do not trade based on what everybody else is talking about. No, I open up my trade and I have a price target. Once that price target comes, I will close my trades and I'm out. Understand? Another thing is, like, you got to be able to see what actually is happening. Looking at the charts is one thing, and public sentiment is another thing. Today we had an excuse me. Today we had an FMOC meeting. You see the reaction, okay? Come on, excuse me. Yeah, sorry about that. We had an FMOC meeting. People already know exactly how Bitcoin reacts to this. Okay, everybody that thought that, you know what, once they start reducing money, they start reducing interest rate, you are going to start you're going to start getting Bitcoin pumping. Guys, that is not how it works. That's not how it works, guys. Okay, you have to see first the money from the bonds. Okay, because like US bonds, since they are cutting down rates, that means people that are holding bonds are going to make less money. That's what's going to happen. Once they start losing that money, people start taking out the money out of the treasury bonds. They are going to look for a way to multiply or make money out of it. That's when it will start to go into the cryptocurrencies or more risky assets. That's how it works. Now, for some reason, people are still tying their asset to Bitcoin's hip. So what you're looking at right now, price is crashing down, is because, oh come on, is because Bitcoin is dumping. And because Bitcoin is dumping, guess what? It is going to grab anything along with it. And that is when your psychology, your mind, that's when it comes in. If you panic sell, I told you guys yesterday, why would you want to sell because something else is pumping? You're trying to chase the pump. Look at the fundamentals going on today. Look at Casper. We're going to talk about Casper first. Look at the way Casper is. We are at the bottom of the RSI, the bottom of MACD, okay, bottom of the ribbon. If you look at the high time frame, like the monthly, the weekly, the daily, that's what you got to look at. Okay, now you see they come out. We're going to have a how you call it, energy unit, the gigawatts, powered on Casper. They're working on that. That's a decentralized desk. They're coming in with banking, which is something that a lot of people don't even pay attention with. They're coming out with their trust funds, with their about to start funding developers to start working on the chain, start building applications. So guys, you sit there and you look at stuff and you go, okay, I think these guys are doing something. Something is coming, like it's hitting somewhere. I can't really pinpoint it, but I'm telling you guys, Casper is going to surprise a lot of people. This thing is just going to pop out of nowhere. You think you're seeing 13, 12 cents right now. By the time you get up, it's going to be around again 15, 16, 17. There we go, up all-time high. Again, another thing, again, people pay attention when there is a correction in the price of an asset. That asset usually go down 20, 30%. Casper is already at that 30%. So yeah, I think this thing is about to take off. That's why my positions, I still have them open. I don't care what the price does. My liquidation is way low. Okay, so you come on again and you look at somebody, says like, oh, you're always talking about coins that are not really moving. Oh, look at Quant. The price has been going down for Quant for the longest, and nothing happening for Quant. And I go like, man, I don't know. If you do not believe in an asset, you can sell and move on to the meme coins. Which again, not financial advice, but I will tell you that is a bad move. Not a good move at all. It's a very bad move. So yeah, it's okay for Quant to be at 60 cents or 65 cents, whatever it is right now. For me, it's okay. Because guess what? Most of these retails, okay, the retails have not yet put attention into it. Everybody's still looking at Bitcoin. Everybody's still looking at whatever that is pumping, SUI, whatever is going on. Until you're about to start seeing on TV people talking about digital banking. Guys, trust me, once these regulations, they are partially out in some countries. Trust me, once the US passes the regulation, you are about to see. And I told you guys, I will keep saying it again. I told you 3 months. We are now a month and a half to go. In a month and a half, you're about to see what Quant is about to do. Because everything, APIs, DLTs, Overledger, all that stuff, they are being adopted right now. And countries that are beginning to see how good the UK is doing when it comes to online, digital banking, like blockchain banking and all that stuff. And trust me, people are going to start to copy that. And that's what will make Quant to start to blow. And I'm telling you guys, you can sit there and just wait for price confirmation. I don't do that. I don't do price confirmation. I get into my trades, I scale them up, and relax. Sit down and relax. Guys, come on. Don't panic sell. If you panic sell, you will never make it to a millionaire status. You will never make it. You need to let your conviction stand tall, no matter what happens. I'm not like any other YouTubers that tell you one thing and then do another thing. I stand tall and I stand by my conviction. I told you guys, Casper Quant, Jasmine, those things are going to make you a lot of money. A lot of people, like even that the other guy talking about, oh, you see that? That's what I was talking about. Jasmine's breaking down. And I turned around and I told him, the support for Jasmine, for it to be in a downtrend, is at 1.5 cents. Jasmine still at 1.8 cents. So the uptrend is still valid. Casper, we just hit the bottom. Okay, draw your Fibonacci retracement and you will see it. We just hit that support and now price has started to show signs of going up. Guys, you don't have to. Anyways, it is something that is bothering me a lot, because like I see guys who are trying to sell because they are down 20% when the prices are about to start to go up. I told you guys, you got to look at it any year. Go look at the bull run. If you've been in the market for a while, or even if you haven't, just check the history of this bull run. Any year that we've had a green September, October usually starts red. October usually first week, second week of October used to start red, but you will see prices start to climb like crazy by the mid-October. And today is the 10th. So we probably have us like a week left or something, and then you will see prices. And then you will see the prices of all the assets, the prices of all the assets that you are trading, the fundamental ones, those that are money makers, you're about to see those prices start to take off. That's why I'm telling you guys, it's normal. For me, it's a normal thing to see the market do what it is doing. It's normal. I will never panic sell. All I have to do is just scale up my positions. One thing that is good about it is, like, the more you scale up, the higher your profits are going to be. But again, if you do not know, if you don't have stomach for trading, please just stick to buying your coin on spot. After you get your coins on spot, on spot, and then just wait for the next year and until everything goes higher. Again, everybody else is expecting an overextended bull run, and I don't think that will happen. I think they're going to catch a lot of people off guard. Anyways, now let's go look at the market right quick. Okay, like I said, I have to rush. I have to rush this thing right quick. So, crypto bubbles. Let's go there. Crypto bubbles. Right there. See, the FMOC meeting. Look on the day. Everybody on the daily, they are selling. Everybody's scared. Everybody's scared. But look at the last hour. You see that? The last hour, the market has started to go. Look at Casper. Casper started to move up. But anyways, let's go look at this right quick. We got here. Excuse me. So, okay, let's start with Casper, KAS, the king. Okay, for the past hour, we are up 0.68%, 5.8% down on the day, 8.2% down on the week, and 15% down on the month. Then we have 199% up on the year. Now we go start look at Quant, QNT. For Quant, we are up 0.15% up on the hour. Okay, excuse me. And we have 1.2% down on the day, 2.2% down on the week, 7.4% down on the month, and 23.1% down on the year. Now we look at Jasmine, JAS. Okay, here we are down 0.1% on the hour, 2.6% down on the day, 5.2% down on the week, 0.81% down on the month, and 496% up on the year. Now, you want to see why the prices dropped so much today, you have to go right here. Okay, now we're going to start with Bitcoin. I want you guys to look at Bitcoin right quick. Bitcoin USDT. This is the reason why everything, because everybody's afraid after the FMOC meeting. This is what is happening. Look at Bitcoin free falling, guys. Free falling. It's just like I told you guys, for me, I think Bitcoin is going to hold the $60,000. That's where it was last time we came close. It didn't do anything. Now today we are still dropping a little bit more. So let's see what happens. But Bitcoin, for me, at 60,000, that is where it's going to bounce. Okay, that's what I'm looking at when checking out the charts. Okay, so anyways, now let's go to our coins that we are trading. Start with King Casper, KAS. On MEXC right there. On King Casper, like I told you, I'm not worried about this. Casper has two bullish patterns in it right now. Okay, we have that channel that we trade in. Okay, and we also have a falling wedge. The falling wedge, as you can see, we came perfectly on it right now. Oh, come on. Let me take my arrow right quick. Right there. On the falling wedge, we came perfectly. See how we touch it, got bought right back, try it again, got bought right back. So right now it's a green, it's an hourly, it's turned to green. Now let's see what will happen from here. I'm expecting this again to just go sideways and then climb up, start to climb. As you can see, look at the ribbon, see how broadening it is at. It has started to broaden out. So yeah, that means like this, you usually turn into a bullish, then start to go up. Like I told you guys, go look at the indicator, the MACD. Okay, look at the RSI, look at the ribbon like this one on a higher time frame, and you will see. I can't get up to it right now because I'm trying to make this video as fast as possible. I told you guys I gotta go pick up my kid. So yeah, that's what's happening right here. If you go on the 4 hourly, let's go right here. The 4 hourly shows even better. Look at that. Look at the ribbon. Okay, still falling. That's okay, but look at that. We touched the bottom of the wedge and back up again. So yeah, I'm probably gonna come back and touch it again or something like that before reversing to the upside. Okay, that's what you are looking at on Casper. For you to see it even clearer, why I'm saying we're on a falling wedge is going on the daily. See the purple lines, the two purple lines, they are the top and the bottom of this wedge. Look at that. Let me zoom out. See, as you can see right there, once this breaks out, the target is going to be the 21 cents because it has to go. The target of a falling wedge is usually the origin of the wedge. For this example right here, for Casper, it is 21 cents, close to 22 cents. And then we'll start talking about higher prices from there because we will be in price discovery. So yeah, I don't see why people are panicking. I just, well, everybody has their way of trading, okay? Me, that is the way I trade, okay? So if you go here, let me go 1 hour right quick. First, we got to go 1 hour, then switch this to QNT right there. We go USDT. Okay, Binance. There we go. We broke below the support on Quant. We just broke below the support on the bull flag. But sometimes, guys, this usually be a fake out. I've seen Quant do this a couple of times. That you see price go below the $66, and before you know it, it gets right back above that support again. So yeah, for me, I'm just watching Quant closely. I'm watching it closely. Again, I don't worry about this because my liquidations are way below. So you guys, I don't know who is panic selling because Bitcoin is going down, but they need to look at this. Okay, so if you go on the 4 hourly, let's go on the 4 hour. The same thing you can see. Okay, it's a clear downtrend right now, but I don't think this downtrend will last long. The ribbon still pointing downwards, moving average is pointing downwards, and okay, so like we have to see this thing reverse above this support again at 66.3. That's what we have to see. Right now we are trading at $65. So yeah, that's something that I wanted to bring to your attention. But again, do not forget, the bigger picture is on the weekly, guys. You gotta look on the weekly. The bigger picture right here. This was a touch up there, touch down here. This is an uptrend. Okay, it's an uptrend, which is now the target is up there, $125. You got to really pay attention to that. So do not panic sell your spot positions if you have any going on right now. If you have anything on your leverage trade, what you have to do is just scale it up. Guys, scale up your trades and you will be okay. Okay, so now let me go right quick on my Jasmy. What is my Jasmy position? JASMY Jasmy position USDT. Come on. There you go. Jasmy is also almost the same thing. I told you guys, for me, Jasmy, I need to see Jasmy above 2.3 cents. Okay, that's why I am still, I'm gonna say it again, I am still a little bit bearish on this, on the short term for Jasmy. But you got to pay attention to a lot of things. But the other thing I forgot to mention is like Bitcoin is printing a golden cross right now. That's another thing that tells me that these price actions you are looking at are not going to last for long, because once Bitcoin goes into the bull mode again, you're about to see, okay, you're about to see this thing start to take off like crazy. Okay, so yeah, you do not need to worry about what is going on. If you've been into this trading for a while, you will understand that these are just temporary moves that the market is doing. Again, look at that. We are in a falling wedge, guys. Okay, we're in a falling wedge. Some guys are thinking like, you know what, because of we broke out here, we need to come back down and retest at 1.6, okay, which is possible. Once you retest at 1.6, you start to go. I think that we broke out here, we came back, retested, and we went up. Now this downfall is because of Bitcoin is falling, so that's why I do not give it much of a thought. I don't think about it that much, because once Bitcoin reverses, I'm telling you guys, we are just having a golden cross on Bitcoin right now. So just sit tight and wait. That's the game I'm doing. I'm just sitting tight and waiting, watching my positions. That's all it is. Okay, now that said, again, anybody who is afraid, okay, this is a perfect opportunity to enter your trade, because this the market are hitting the bottom right now. Okay, if I didn't have positions open, this would be a perfect time for me to get into my positions. Okay, again, I do not condone it if you don't know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, just stick to your spot trading. Buy your coins on spot and hold. But if you feel like you're confident enough, below I do have my Bydfi and I also have my Phemex links. Sign up. Okay, once you sign up, they give you free money. Once you meet the deposit their deposit goals, they give you free money, you start trading. Follow me, follow somebody else, or do you. It don't really matter to me. What matters to me is that you make money. That's what I care about. Okay, anyways, now let's go right quick into my Bydfi, which are my long-term trades. Okay, these trades I would not close them until the bull run comes to a high or close to the top of the bull run. Okay, so let's go look at my Bydfi. Here, Bydfi. You guys already know, like if you've been following my channel, you know that this account has been swinging. Like it's been lowest I've seen it at $7,000, highest I've seen it 23,000. So at 23 I took some profits anyway, so because I had other trades there. But right now, today, as you can see, I am still up $9,000. Okay, right there. You can see right here, I am still up $9,000 here. Okay, looking at my contracts, we first start with Quant, which is at $65 right now. My Quant, look here, my contract, my Casper, I am still down 50% of my position. 50%. Again, do not do like me, because hey, I am an aggressive trader. Look at this. I trade at 50x, which means if the market moves down a little, my position will move down a lot. If the market moves down up a little, my position will jump up a lot. So yeah, do not do like me. On my Quant trade, I am also trading at 50x, as you can see right there. So, but I'm still down 3%, which is $274. You guys already know like what I did with my profits. If you haven't known yet, you can watch my video for yesterday and I'll tell you what I did. Okay, so yeah, that's the whole point right here. I will not going to close my position until we get to the top of the bull run, or if I'm lucky enough, maybe the prices hit my take profits area, which is for Casper $10, and for Quant 6,500. So let's wait and see how this one plays out. Now let's look at my Phemex right quick. I'll check my Phemex right there. Let me sign in. Okay, for my Phemex, excuse me. For my Phemex, you can also see I'm still up 9,800. Okay, that is perfect for me. Now, looking at my contracts, you can see my contracts for my Jasmine, I am still down 33%, which is 3,800, and for my Casper, I am still down 49%. That's why my friend was telling me like, you better be closing. And I'm like, nope, I'm not doing that. Again, do not be like me, because me, as you can see, I am trading at 50x. Okay, 50x right here. And now you can also see, like I told you guys, my take profit areas. If you don't know those, just check my video for yesterday. I can't do that right now. Like I told you guys, I have to rush. I need to go get my kid right quick. So let's go back here. There you have it, guys. Please don't panic sell. If you panic sell, you are going to lose a lot of money. You need to stay on your lane. You need to stay by your conviction, what you think will happen, what you believe in. And trust me, this is just the beginning of the bull run. It's just the start, because this is the middle points. Like when the bull run starts, before the Bitcoin halving, and by the time we top out next year, this is the middle. When you see this kind of prices, guys, it's the time that you have to jump in to start making your money. Anyways, now I want to know what you think. Do you think I'm crazy for keeping my positions open? Do you think I am? If so, please let me know down below. Please comment, please subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Okay, don't forget to give me a like. Okay, if you like my content, or if not, give me a like, whatever you want to do. And also, please turn on the bell notification. That way, when I drop a new video, you will find out as soon as possible. Again, thank you very much for watching my video, and until I see you next time, bye bye.